First of all, a very good evening to all of you. It has been a long journey since last 3 months due to lockdown, and the process of unlocking it has also begun. So I am again back online here, and with a hope that you all are usually fit and fine. Let's start today's session. So today's session is basically for the students of class 10th with some new content of mathematics. We have already studied about our last few sessions about quadratic equations. So in quadratic equation we have learned how to solve a quadratic equation by three methods. First one is by factorization method, second one is by completing square method, and the third one and the simplest one is by using quadratic formula. So here are the three methods to solve a quadratic equation. So today let's take an example related to word problem how to solve a quadratic equation. So here I have written the question. The product of two positive consecutive integers is 132. Find the integers. There are two positive consecutive integers whose product is 132 and we need to find the both positive integers. So in the solution, let us consider let first positive integer is x. And what will be the second consecutive integer? Consecutive means one after another. For example, 10 and 11 both are consecutive. Another example, 12 and 13 one after another consecutive. 15 and 16 both are consecutive. It means one integer is second integer is one more than first integer. Then let first integer is x, then second integer is second positive integer is equal to x plus 1. Now according to question, the product of two positive consecutive integers is 132. Then it should be x into x plus 1 is equal to 132. Now we will multiply it, then it should be x square plus x is equal to 132. Now x square plus x 132 minus 132 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, and now we need to solve it to find the value of x or to find the first positive integer x and another one x plus 1. Now to solve this equation we have three methods as I have described earlier, that are first one is factorization method, second one is by completing square, and the third one, the simplest one, is by using quadratic formula. I am going with the last method by using quadratic formula. So at first we will compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what should be the value of a? A should be 1. Then b is also 1. And c is equal to minus of 132. And you know that what is the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus of b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus of b plus of minus root b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Now we will substitute the value of a, b, c in this formula to find the value of x. Then it should be x is equal to minus of b is 1 minus of 1 plus minus root b square. What is b? B is 1. Then it is 1 square minus 4 into a minus 4ac. A is 1. And c is minus of 132 upon 2a. It means 2 into a. What is a? A is 1 here. Then it should be x. We will simplify it. Minus of 1 plus minus root 1 square is 1. Minus and a minus will multiply, then it will be plus. And 4 multiplied by 132. Then 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. Carry of 1. 4 1 is 4 and 1 of 5. 528 upon of 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then it should be minus of 1 plus minus root 528 and 1 529 upon 2. Now you need to find the square root of 529. Then it should be x is equal to minus of 1 plus minus square root of 529 is 23 upon of 2. Then it should be by taking positive sign. Now one time we will take positive and after that negative. When we will take positive, then it will be 23 of positive minus of 1. It is 22 upon 2 is equal to 11. When we will take negative sign, then x should be minus of 1 minus of 23 upon of 2. Then it minus 24 upon 2 is equal to minus of 12. There are two values, required values of x. First one is 11 and the second one is minus of 12. But it is very clear in the question that both the conjugative integers are positive. So we need only of 11. So the first integer, positive integer is 11 and the second positive integer is x plus 1. It means 11 plus 1, 12. So 11 and 12 are the required positive conjugative integers. Conjugative means one after another. 11 after 12. If you will multiply or product 11 and 12, it will be 132. So this is the solution of the word problem, that the product of two positive conjugative integers is 132. Find the integers. Then the integers are 11 and 12. Thanks for watching. Good night.